I just found a brand new AI native coding partner that makes building software easy. In fact, I just use it to build what's on the screen right now in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this new tool is, how you could use it, and I'm gonna share with you exactly how to use it to build the software, the app, or the website of your dreams. So let's dive right into it. Now, that brand new AI coding partner that I'm talking about is called Verdant AI. Now, if we come over here and we actually show you what this looks like, this is why this is so incredible. First and foremost, we could see that this is built for parallel tasks, clean isolation, and seamless multitasking, which allows you to quickly switch between projects, isolate parallel workspaces, and in-work multitasking so that you could work as a team and you can help speed up your building right here. And we can see right here just how powerful this is. Because if we come over here, we could see the different modes that we have. So we have agent mode and we have plan mode, and plan mode is going to be incredibly important. But before I get to that, I wanted to show you this right here, where you could go through and you can actually choose different models based on performance or based on balance, or you could go through and choose exactly what model you want to use, or you could even add in models right here, depending on a bunch of different things, or what task you are actually going to be doing. In addition to that, we could see that we have sub agents here. We have skills that we could add in. You have commands that you could add in. You could add in MCP and so much more. But back to planning right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over to plan and we're going to give this prompt right here. I want to build a tool that allows users to input information about social media influencer campaign that they're going to create in order to help them calculate the potential ROI as an influencer. So we're going to be building out a tool, one, that I'm going to be using internally, and then two, that we could potentially begin selling to people in the future. But this plan feature right here is going to be essential for this, because the last thing that you want to do is you want to just dive into something and begin coding. That's what makes Verdant so special, is this plan feature. So the first thing that we need to do is actually assign this to a project. So we're going to name this influencer ROI. We're then going to click on continue. And this is going to do is this is going to be able to actually access this right here. And we could see that now this is going through and this is actually generating a plan. So I had kind of a rough idea of what I wanted right here with just what kind of things should actually be in this in terms of inputs and outputs. But now this is actually going to go through and this is going to help me think through all these different things by going through and asking these clarifying questions. So right here, what we're going to do is we're going to do a 5x ROAS is the goal. What conversion rate should we assume? We're going to assume 2%. And then should the tool provide detailed breakdowns or simple calculations? I'm going to say it should do both right here. And then we're going to click on submit. So now that we submitted this, this actually then takes that new information that it has and it continues to actually build this out. And as we can see right here, this works incredibly quickly. We don't have to choose the model, and this is going to help us whether you're building out a new feature or you're building out a new website, app, or software entirely. This is something you need to make sure that you use it, because look at this. This is literally going through everything about this between styling and UX, all of this right here. And now we have this plan. And if we look at this, this gives us an objective here. We actually have the architecture overview right here, and we could look at it in mermaid mode, or if we come over here, we could see what it actually looks like this, which is quite incredible. And if you needed to, you could copy this, you could download this, you could tell it to fix this, you can make this full screen. And this right here is incredibly powerful, because really this just makes it way easier for planning. This lets you go from a messy idea or just like a one-line prompt to actually having a full plan that in the past would have taken weeks to do, because this gives you all of this, gives you the technology stack, gives you the calculator, gives you the input parameters, calculation logic, additional metrics, and then this goes through every step that actually needs to be done in order to create this right here. And this is insane. It even goes through error handling and validation. So it's thinking ahead and making sure that we're not going to get stuck with things, and the file structure right here. Now, if we agree with all of this, guess what? We could go ahead and proceed, or if we wanted to, we could actually come in here and we could edit things. And if you aren't an expert at coding yourself, guess what? You could just add this into the chat and say, well, what about this? Or you could add this as a new task inside of the current workspace or a new workspace if you're working on something and you realize that you're going to have to take it out of this workspace. But for the sake of this, I'm going to click on build right here, and we're going to let this actually go through and begin to code and generate this. Now, while this actually goes through and builds this out, I did want to share with you some other ideas in terms of the plan. I showed you earlier that you could add this into the chat right here, but what you could also get this to do is explain things, rewrite things. You could get it to run the step, or like I showed you, you could get this to actually split out into a new task. Also, one other thing that I did want to emphasize is that this is going to be good for you no matter what area of coding you are in. If you're in QA, you could get this to help you with QA. If you're a front-end developer, you could get it to help you with that. If you're a back-end developer, you could get it to help with that. And this will literally help with anything. Now, before I show you exactly how I use this new AI tool in order to build the software that I was showing you earlier, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Verdant AI today for yourself for free, because this tool is going to help you build code faster, build code smarter, and it's going to bring the joy back to coding for you. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we could see that this went through and this did everything, and we could see all these different things right here. So let's actually go through this. We could see that the implementation has been complete. This gives us all the different core features, gives us the technology stack, gives us the key metric calculations and everything that's going to be included. And we could see that this is now running right here and it's ready to use. So we could see the README right here and go through this. We could go through all the code if we wanted to and see all the things that were actually changed, or we could actually get this to do a code review. And again, we could turn thinking on or off. We could do balance, or we could have this be performance based. And we click on code review right here. This will actually go through and review the code to make sure that everything looks good. Otherwise, I'm going to click on this right here and we're going to be able to see what this actually looks like. So this made the bare bones of this right here, and we're able to view this inside of our local host right here. So let's actually see how this works. Let's say that we have somebody that has 25,000 followers and they get 500,000 views every post. Product price is going to be $25, and the engagement cost, we're going to put this at $800. This is going to be able to go through, calculate the ROI, tell us whether or not we should move forward, tells us why, and it actually shows us this, and then we could see this detailed breakdown right here. Now, we could see that the bare bones of this is working as intended. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over into Verdant, and we're going to actually get this to implement the CSS. So we're going to come over here and we're going to say to this, we're going to come under plan again, and we're going to say, this all looks great. Now we need to add in CSS and style this beautifully. Please come up with a plan to be able to do this. Now, what this is going to do is this is actually going to begin planning right here. And we could see, I'm going to come over here and I'm actually going to X out of all these other plans that we have. And what this is going to begin to do is actually go through planning what the enhanced visual design and all of that should look like. And that's exactly how I would recommend that you build things out with Verdant. The first go around, I would make sure the logic's good. I would make sure the processing's good. I would make sure that you're actually getting what you want to get. And then we could actually go through and we could add in the styling, we can add in all of that, because that really is less important when you're building out an AI app, an AI software, or whatever the case is. You first want to make sure that all the logic is going to be good. So we could see that this is now going through, and this is actually creating this plan right here. It's giving us an enhanced visual design plan with the objective, the current state and analysis, and we could see everything that exists here. And again, we have this chart right here that literally goes through all these different visual enhancements. I'm actually going to make this more of a full screen right here so that we could go through this, but we could see that under visual enhancements, we have custom themes, we have advanced typography, we have animations and transitions, we have enhanced components. And then if we come back over here, we could see what all of this is actually going to look like right here. We could see the design system, typography, visual effects, all of this. And what I am actually going to get this to do is I'm going to get this to actually change the colors that this is going to show up in, so I can actually show you what this will look like. So if we come over here, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to grab this color palette right here. I'm going to add this into the chat, and I'm going to say, I want this to predominantly be a bright blue, bright red, and white. So what this is going to do is this is actually going to adjust this, because as we can see from this color palette right here, we've got red, we've got emerald, we've got pink, we've got violet, we've got indigo. I want to completely change that. So this is going to go through and this is going to rewrite this according to the new rules that I actually want it to be set by. So now we can see that this went through and updated this. I'm going to click on build right here. And once again, this is going to go through. this is going to build this out, and then we're going to be able to view exactly what this looks like. And again, I just want you to imagine how much easier it is to code, how much more fun it is to code, how much quicker it is to code, and how much smarter code you're going to write when you have AI doing most of the work here, especially taking into consideration this plan mode that literally just makes life so much easier because you know exactly what's going to happen. And I want you to think about how meta this is. AI is creating the plan. We are approving the plan, going back and forth with it, and then boom, it actually goes through and implements everything too, which is what it's doing right now. So now we can actually go through here and see what this updated version looks like right here. So we're just going to add something in, somebody with 5,500 follower count, average views per post, we're going to put 55,000, product price, we are going to put $60, engagement cost, we're going to do $500, which is reasonable for somebody with this follower count. We're going to click on calculate ROI, and then this actually goes through, estimates the profit, estimates the ROI, tells us to break even, and gives us everything that we wanted here. In addition to that, if we scroll down a little bit, we could see this does the AI strategic analysis right here. It gives us recommendations, what the primary risk is, and this is exactly what we wanted. And now we were able to build this with AI. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through how to get AI influencers to promote your new app, your new website, or your new software. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.